Paolo Stacana, ang Jordan Clarkson ng Mandaluyong City. Thank you for supporting me in the World Cup, and I hope you continue supporting me in the next upcoming tournaments. Okay, team! 3, 2, 1, Laban Pilipinas! Puso!
Yeah, yeah.
Jordan Clarkson.
Jordan Clarkson ng Mandaluyong City!
Yes! Jordan Clarkson.
Oo. Pumunta siya dito. Sabi niya, kalok-alike niya daw si Jordan Clarkson.
Yes.
May dumating, kalok-alike mo naman daw siya.
Sino?
Pasok!
Ayan, kalok-alike mo! Ayan! Asa yung bola?
Yung bola, bigay mo yung bola. Nasa yung bola.
Ayan yung bola. Ayan.
Bigay mo sa kanya yung bola. Bigay mo sa kanya. Kailangan depensahan mo, ha? Go.
May hinihingal na.
Hinihingal pala yung baklang kamyas, no? Mukha kang kamyas ngayon.
Kala ko naman si Slimer.
Sinusuportahan mo ba siya talaga?
Alam mo naman ako, mahilig ako sa basketball, ate.
Basketball.
When she learned that you would be here, she's thankful. She's thankful. Yeah. Just say hi to him.
Hi. Nice meeting you.
I'm Jordan Clarkson.
And this is LeBron James.
What's your name?
LeBron.
LeBron James.
Hey, LeBron, are you single?
Super single. Yeah. And I think I deserve it.
Super single. Okay. Thank you very much.
Maraming
Thank
salamat.
you.
Meet you again,
Thank you for
LeBron James.
She will
dropping
wait
by.
for you there, ha? Oo, after the show daw. She wants to talk to you.
Ate, Vice Comedy Club, nandun po ako. Punta kayo.
Ganyan.
Dami namang
Salamat. Okay.
This is Jordan Clarkson, Filipino. Kaya marunong mag-Tagalog.
Yeah, we're very proud of Jordan because he represented the Philippines.
Yes, Gilas.
He became a member of Gilas Philippines.
Yeah. Puso.
He left the NBA for a while to be part of the Philippine team.
To support.
That's so noble of you. Thank you very much.
And not only
of
that,
course.
I know that you opened this Carinderia in your place, di ba? Because of that hurricane, remember?
Yes, of course. I want to help the people. I cannot let the people suffer alone. So at least I like to help.
Jenny.
Yeah, I like to help my community.
That's nice.
Thank you very much for not forgetting about the Filipinos. Yeah. What can you? So, would you like to greet your Filipino fans?
Of course. I love you all. Mahal kita, Filipinas.
Sino dyan yung mahal mo?
Actually, my mom is there.
Where's your mom? Oh, your mom is here.
Where?
Where's your mom?
You see the one there on the right?
On the right?
You go
Where's
left,
mommy?
left.
Left.
And then go right.
Left, right.
Go left and then go right.
up, go down.
And then go up.
Yeah, and then she's there. She's buying hot dogs.
Nahilo na si Ryan.
Yeah.
Niloloko mo naman si Ryan.
Hindi.
Wala. Diyan niloloko ka lang si Ryan.
Wala. Joke lang daw, Ryan.
Very funny.
Joker pala to si
Joker. At alam mo na, pag Joker, di ba, hinahamon mo ng dribble yan. Di ba?
Talaga ba?
Ikaw pinakamagaling sa basketball. Dali lang.
May trauma ba yan? Bantayan mo.
May kalokalike din to.
Sino?
Ayun o.
Saan? Sino?
Si Joseph yan.
Natin si Joseph yan. Grabe ka naman.
Nalito na ako eh.
Grabe
Si Joseph
ka.
yan.
Pasensya ka na. Kumuha kayo ng straw.
Bakit?
Inumin ko lang yung tubig.
Hindi niya buko! Ay, Brad, alam ko na. Sino kalokalay niya?
Sino?
Ganito ah. Ganun mo.
Ayun mo.
Ayan! Hawig na hawig!
May problema ba tayo sa mga ganyang...
Wala! Bakit? May problema ka ba sa ganyan?
Papunta pa lang. Bakit? Magkakaproblema pa lang.
Oh, sorry.
Huwag ka magalala,
Grabe ka.
hindi tayo abot doon.
Hindi tayo abot.
Yeah, okay. So,
Is that a real hair of yours?
Yeah, it's all my hair.
it's very nice.
It's real.
That's real, oh.
Yeah.
Where did you have that Boracay?
No, not Boracay. I did it in the States.
Oh, in the States.
Before I came here on
What
the
do you
plane.
call that hairstyle?
Box braids.
What?
Box braids.
Box braids.
Box braids.
Braids.
Oh, di ba yun ang tawag
braids
mo sa
yun.
kanya? Si Braid.
Oh,
Bread yun.
bread.
Yeah. That's why our movie is titled And the Breadwinner is.
Showing in December.
Yeah, okay. So
Yeah.
how long you will be here in the Philippines?
Just maybe 2 weeks and then
2
I'll go
weeks.
back. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
I have to get ready for the NBA. I have to play.
Have you spent the holidays in the Philippines yet? Have you tried spending like Christmas and New Year here?
Yeah. I was actually here last year, December.
Yeah.
I spent Christmas here in Boracay also.
Yeah.
You dance very well, ah. Where did you learn how to dance like that?
My parents teach me.
Thank you.
Kuya Ogie, di ba idol mo siya? Oo. Gusto mo siyang bantayan?
Gusto nila. Gusto nila. Asa yung bola?
Yeah, this is for the TikTok.
Yeah. Okay. You will defend. You have to
Yeah.
Be careful, ha?
defend the ball.
Be careful.
Don't let him get the ball, ha?
Okay, you be careful,
Super
ha?
defense, a hard defense.
Remember,
So hard defense.
remember, we have to be funny.
Oo, okay. Take care, ha, Kuya Ogie.
Okay, go.
Okay. Go!
Lakas mo!
Grabe naman.
Grabe, di ba tumatama?
Hindi ka kasi marunong tumipensa.
Ay, bakit? Sino ba
Paano ba
marunong
dapat?
mag-pensa?
Kami turuan.
Si Chang!
Ay, naku. Buti na lang, hindi ako mahilig sa basketball, but you're good, ha? You're very good.
Pero yung kapanahon mo, nagmamuse ka ng mga basketball for sure.
Oo, nag-miss ako dati sa Hinebra.
Talaga, PBA girl ka pala din.
Yeah.
Sino mga player nun, Chang?
Jaworski pa yun, Chang, di ba? Kaloy-loy Sagay.
Rudy Distrito.
Parang Crispa pa nga ata yun eh.
pa ba?
Oo. Ganun na katagal. But you're good, ha? Very good. Talented.
Of course, I play in the NBA.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Jordan Clarkson.
Jordan Clarkson.
Pero di ba na-chismis si Jordan Clarkson? Di ba parang naging jowl niya ba si Kendall?
Ay, kayo ba?
Ah,
Oh,
ay,
did you
parang may
date?
alam
Yeah,
siya.
we
is
heard
that
the
true?
news.
Is that true?
Jordan?
Yeah, did you date Kendall?
Yeah, I dated her for some time and then
Did you give her a candle?
The birthday? The birthday?
For the birthday.
No, you make sulian ng candle.
Yeah.
Gusto yata ulit ng isa pang eh.
Isa pa.
Gusto pa ng nito.
I'm good.
Yeah, so how was she?
she's okay, but it was a long time ago. It's like maybe a couple of years back. Yeah.
Do you still get to talk to her? No more.
No more.
No
Not
more.
anymore.
Oo.
Yeah.
Is she still in your contacts? No.
Of course.
Ah, really?
Yeah, still friends.
What's her number?
Still
I'll give it to you later. I cannot message.
She have such a big fan eh. I will text her. Hi, Kendall.
Paano mo papakilala yung sarili mo?
Yeah, I'm boys
I just met your ex-friend Jordan Clarkson.
Oh.
Yeah, and I got your number from him. I just want to say hi. Ano niligawan mo si Kendall?
What do you like about her?
Yeah.
What do you like about...
She's a model, and of course, I also modeled sometime before when I was younger. I modeled with Vogue, also with her. Yeah.
Very good.
When you get to see Kendall, say hi for me.
I will video call her later. We can chat.
Okay, thank you very much. Nice to
Thank
meet
you, Okay, good luck, Jordan. Eto, alamin na natin ang hatol ng padla kay contestant number 3 mula kina Ryan and Sean. Go!
Thank you, Changami! Alamin na natin kung ano ang hatol ng madlang people. Madlang people? Kaloka or kaloka lang! Oh!
Maraming kaloka
Ang dami kaloka lang.
Meron din mga kaloka. Nakita ko.
May kaunting kaloka.
Saan? Dito tayo.
Sige, susundan lang kita.
Yan. Saan? Dito. Hi!
Hi! Hello, kuya. Anong pangalan niyo po?
Ako po si Vladimir Gayola po.
Vladimir.
Full name po.
Pero ito, bakit kaloka like ang hatol mo?
Kamukha niya po talaga pati po sa like nose, like bibig,
Like nose.
and hair, and may postura po siya sa pagbabasketball po. Katulad po ni Jordan Clarkson.
Ready, bro?
Galing naman. Idol.
May bola.
Pengin bola. Nagtingin ng bola.
Okay? Maraming salamat.
Thank you
po.
so much.
Back to you guys!
Kasi di ba totoo yung pag nakakita ka ng basketball player, talagang hihingan mo ng bola.
Tapos papipirmahan mo.
Jersey, bola, rubber shoes.
Lahat.
Kasi nagmimigay silang remembrance. Wristband,
Yan.
supporter.
Hindi yun. Nakasuot lang.
Abot dun.
Grabe. Hindi kasi supporter ka nung
fan ka eh, fan.
So, basketball ka, anong pinamimigay mo? Relief goods, di ba? Namigay ka relief goods.
May bitbit siya lagi.
Kasi di naman pinasok. May bagyo, mamimigay ng alam ko relief goods.
Ganun ako ka-generous. Di ba? Ay, at pakinggan na natin ang komento ng ating hurado. Huraduo pala. Huraduo. Jukes and Teddy.
What's up, Madla people? Hello. Jordan Clarkson.
Saktong-sakto, pare.
Idol namin si Jordan Clarkson, pare.
Sixth man of the year.
Sixth man of the year, Utah Jazz. Ang hair, yung mukha, yung bigote. Kulang na lang sa'yo, pare, yung mga tattoos, di ba? Pero yung tanong ni Rupa May, yung paa mo ba yung sa may, ang tawag dyan, yung binti mo? Yung knee pads?
Yan. Knee pads.
Nagaganyan talaga si Jordan Clarkson. Nagaganyan talaga si Jordan Clarkson, no?
Mapagturo ko.
Oh,
Bakit? Ba't yung tinatanong?
Hindi, ano lang. Kasi nga, bakit daw may ganun eh?
Alam mo naman si Rufa May.
Di ba
Mahilig siya
nagka-jowa ng
basketball player.
PPA yan?
Meron. Sino?
Si Hatfield.
Rudy Hatfield.
Pass is pass.
Fast is fast. Tandaan nyo. Never...
Ayaw na daw niya after.
Yes.
Hindi, ako nagtanong talaga. Ikaw nagtanong, di ba?
Sige, ako na lang.
Namumula ka, Rufa May. Namumula ka. Blushing.
Mainit eh.
Pero kami
Maganda pa rin.
excited na kami makompleto yung starting five natin.
Yung starting five natin.
Meron tayong Curry, meron tayong LeBron, meron tayong Jordan Clarkson.
Medyo mahihirapan kami ngayong araw na to sa sa pagpili kung sino ba talaga. Pero congratulations sa'yo, pare. Para sa amin.
Kaloka-like mo.
Kaloka-like.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jukes and Teddy. Mga hurado, maaari nyo na pong ibigay ang inyong hatol kay Paulos Tecleab. Ang Jordan Clarkson ng Mandaluyong City.